This week marks the beginning of something I have been meaning to restart for a long time. I'm traveling back to Hyderabad where I work full time, and this felt like the right moment to reset. Over the last few years, life has become comfortable, a good job, a stable routine, but comfort has a strange side effect. It slowly takes away the discipline. During my gate and placement preparation, I lived a very different life. Every day had a structure, every day had targets. I want to bring that version of myself back. So, from Sunday, December 28, I decided to start documenting my learning journey. Not to teach, not to show off, just to stay accountable. My focus right now is simple: solving one DSA problem every single day. I am following Rohit Negi's DSA playlist and solving problems across platforms like Lead Code, Geeks for Geeks, and InterviewBit. This week I solved one problem each day. Some days were smooth, some days were mentally exhausting after work. But the rule stayed the same: one problem, no excuses. Alongside this, I am also learning video editing using DaVinci Resolve, not through courses, just by editing one video every week. Same format, same process, repetition over perfection. This channel is mainly for accountability, to document learning, to stay consistent throughout the year. There is no monetary goal here. The real challenge is to show up even when the motivation drops. Apart from this, I am also working on getting fitter, cutting down weight, and improving overall health. Everything ties back to discipline. This is week 1. I will be posting one progress video every week throughout the year of 2026. Let's see how far consistency can take us.